Dead at the bitch. Thinking she would actually get away with committing such an egregious crime. Homegirl changed her name and everything, thinking that her original government name and its records would just miraculously disappear. What a dumb bitch. Karma is a bitch. Just when you think the story can't get any worse, reports are saying that she will not be serving time here in America. That bitch will be serving it in the slums of a Mexican jail, and from what I heard, Mexican prisons are way worse than the American ones. Good luck, bitch. You better learn how to fight to keep those lesbian mujer off of you. What you did was wrong, and you may have felt like you gotten away with it these past couple years, bitch. But the universe never forgets. Prayers up to her, her mom, friends, and loved ones. It looks like justice will finally be served.